Hi friends, let's go through another practice game of SoloMahj. I got really lucky with this deal and I got 4 jokers. That's pretty much unheard of for me. Think I'm gonna go toward the odds. I really like how I have the 1, 7, and 9. So I definitely want to depart with the 4 and the 8 BAM and or the north and the south winds. So I think let's actually do north and south and prevent and avoid having to pass 2 even. So let's just do 4 BAM. And we got an east wind, a flower, and a 1 BAM. So I don't want the east wind, but I do want to hold on to the flower. I'll hold on to the 1 BAM. Let's see if I can. So I'm going to get rid of this. And because I have so many jokers, I really want to go for something that isn't going to require pairs because I can't use my jokers there. But I'm here with a pair of 1s and I have 7, 9. So those are pretty far apart here. I'm either going to be using 5, 7, 9 or 1, 3, 5. So I kind of have to pick a lane here. It's more likely I find that you'll be using one of those 2 groupings rather than the whole 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And since I have the dragon and I have a flower, I'm really thinking about that 5th hand, but I'm going to need a pair of 5s and a pair of 7s, and I don't have either of those. I'm going to need a pung of 9s, a pung of flowers, and a kong of dragons. I also like that I have 3 1s. So I think let's push in that direction. Let's hold on to my 1 BAM. Let's go ahead and get rid of a 9 crack with this. And hopefully this works out in my favor. That is kind of the hard part of having so many jokers is it's easy here to see patterns, but it's not super easy to kind of pick a direction. Okay, and I got really lucky again. Interesting. So I have a pair of 1 BAMs and now I have a 7 crack, 8 dot. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pass these 2. We're gonna draw 2 and somebody gave me a flower. Wow. And a 4 BAM. So I definitely am gonna stop the Charleston here because we are looking in any like numbers. I really could be going for any hand. It just depends on how the SoloMahj game plays out. However, I'm really looking at that 3rd hand where I have my pair of flowers already. I'm going to need a pair of dragons. And then I've already got quite a few numbers and I've got these 4 jokers. So I could use either of these for a pair and then I can use my jokers to complete their own Kong. I am realistically 2 away from Mahjong here. So I'm definitely stopping the Charleston. And I'm going to give the person in front of me the option to courtesy pass 1. If they're strategic, they're gonna say no. So we'll just pretend like they said no, shot me down because I stopped the Charleston. They're assuming I'm close to Mahjong. Smart decision there. And we will move on to the SoloMahj game in the next video.